Hi everyone, I'm Ricky from Tech Talk, and today I want to do the unboxing of the brand new Echo Spot. It has a display and it's the new Echo Dot system, I reckon, but it does cost a little bit more. So it's from Amazon UK. The link will be in the description. So let's get into the unboxing. Here in the UK, it costs $119.99 and it comes in black or white. So we've gone for the black option as all of my other devices are black. Amazon also offer a stand that's available as well, either in black or white, that you can place this into and then change at multiple different angles. Or as you can see here, it just sits on your desk if you want to. So as you can see here, it has a screen built into the device and you can see that they're receiving a phone call there. Again, you can ask Alexa loads of different information. It has second generation far field recognition built in, which is great and can work right across the room. Taking a look around the box here, we can see the third-party applications and also smart home equipment that can be used with this as well. So we've got the likes of BBC, Hue, TuneIn, Ring, Hive, loads of different services that we can connect to there. So turning around to the back, we've got some information which I'm going to go through. Then also it says here about playing music, show the weather, and then also using smart home technology to show a baby camera, which I think is a neat idea. So along the top there we just have Amazon. So with this new product you can watch videos, news feeds, music lyrics, you can get weather forecast, to-do and shopping lists will be shown on this device. You can listen to Audible books as well through Audible there and you get a free trial as well. Amazon Music, all hands free and at the power of Alexa voice cloud services there. So use the built-in speaker to connect to speakers through Bluetooth or audio cable, which is sold separately, for a multi-room speaker setup, which I'm going to test out and try. With this you can connect and control your smart home devices, all thanks to Alexa. So with this, just like the Echo Show, you can receive calls and messages, and that's all thanks to the built-in services. So you can do this either with the Echo Spot, the Echo Show, and then with the other Echo devices you can receive calls and text messages and messaging as well. And also you need the Alexa app, which is for iOS and Android. So with thousands of skills, Alexa is always improving and learning new ideas for your device and also new skills to teach you. So now let's get into the unboxing. So if we just take the sleeve off here, you've got the nice Amazon smile. Along the bottom there's just a little tab, pull that tab. So just taking out the Echo Spot, wow, it's got a nice bit of weight to that, which is nice to feel. Then also we have some cables here. So you have your UK 3-pin power connection here in a black plug. Then we have some paperwork. So we have Echo Spot first. This just shows you around your device and connecting, which I'm going to show you. Ask Alexa, so we can then ask Alexa a range of these information, which we will do as well. And also we just have safety and warranty information there finally. Just before we begin, make sure you download the Amazon Alexa app here. So mine is on iOS and you can get it for Android. So it's already downloaded, and make sure you connect to Wi-Fi as well. So just before we begin, let me just show you around our device here. So on top you do have the cancel mic, you do have volume up, volume down, then also you do have your microphones there as well. It's a very nice designed speaker as well. You have Amazon on the back, then you have your power connection, and then your jack as well to connect other speakers, which I want to go through and do. So let's plug in.
Hello.
So we have English United States, English United Kingdom. So we're going to English United Kingdom. Then it's going to ask you to select your Wi-Fi connection here. So we're going to go Sky. It's going to ask you to put in your password. So that was actually relatively easy to use there, and it's nice and simple, very responsive and very quick to do as well. I'm going to hit the tick underneath. It's just saying connecting now. While this is just doing, if you do have any questions or queries about the Echo Spot, please drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help. So just saying welcome here, confirm time zone Europe, my Echo Spot. So your Echo Spot device will be updated. So I'm just going to do a download.
Updating your Echo Spot.
So I do like this. It's very nice, very sleek design. And as you can see here as well, you do have a camera, so you can then also record yourself or have that video conversation with someone else. And I'm going to be testing that out. And as you can see, there is a loading bar going around there. But you do have this like matte design around the back here. The screen is very glossy and very nice looking as well. So it's quite a good screen as well. It has quite a good range of colour. As I'm turning, I'm just checking out the screen there. But I'm going to have a full rundown of this, but I want you to let me know what you think of this. So it has just finished doing the setup, and then we have an initial video here. So let's check that out.
Introducing Amazon Echo Spot, a stylish compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your office desk or bedside table. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today, there are 2 events. At 8 a.m, call Gran, and at 4 p.m, there's Richard's football match.
Use room-to-room calling to see how the family are. Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. You can also message or call someone on their supported Echo device or the Alexa app. Alexa, message Tony.
What's the message?
Are we still on for dinner tonight?
Sending message.
Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. And with multi-room music, you can play your favorite songs on supported Echo devices in different rooms. Alexa, play Sia on the bedroom Echo.
Playing songs by Sia on bedroom Echo.
You can automate your smart home using the Alexa app. After setting up your compatible devices, just create a routine that will help you do multiple things with one phrase. For example, say, Alexa, good night, to lock the front door and turn off the downstairs lights. Then set a music alarm to wake you up. Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow with Pink.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow to Pink.
With a growing selection of clock faces and thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter. Explore skills in your Alexa app or ask, Alexa, what are your popular skills? To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? And when you want to go back to the home screen, say, Alexa, go home. Enjoy your new Echo Spot.
Okay, so very interesting there. And as you can see here, we can start a 30-day free trial with free audio book. So we're going to go through that and do that a little bit later on. So as you see here, we have a clock face.
Your Echo Spot is ready.
So we have the weather here for Princess Risborough going along. We have try different things here, which we're going to do. So Robot has been fired from a job for incompliance. So you're going to get some news feeds there. Alexa, what are your top skills?
Here are 3 popular skills. First is Zen Sounds. Himalaya sounds. Sleep well at night and study better with Himalaya sounds. Inspired by the beauty of the Himalayan mountains, these sounds can help you sleep, relax or meditate.
So as you can see, they're very powerful speaker. It's quite well balanced as well. It sounds quite good to me. Alexa, what's the weather today?
In Princess Risborough, there's a flood alert in effect. The current weather is 9 degrees with rain. You can expect more of the same today, with a high of 11 degrees and a low of 4 degrees.
So the Spot can also connect to music services, music from my smartphone. So let's, Alexa, play Capital London from TuneIn.
Capital London from TuneIn.
Subject to availability, varieties has stopped.
The official Vodafone Big Top 40.
And then also when you've got other Echo devices set up around your home, you can then ask it to play in multiple different areas. And as you see here, it doesn't just stay on the clock face, it's showing us our weather. If you had calendar appointments in there as well, it'd also show you that. And it says about trying new things. So you say, Alexa, 3-minute timer.
3 minutes. Starting now.
So as I said, when paired with the Alexa app as well, we can change more details and learn new skills here. Just looking around and checking out the Amazon Echo Spot here, there is a menu system. And what you need to do is pull down and you'll see this menu system come up. You've got a home button, a do not disturb. Just once pressed will give you the crescent moon that we are used to. Slow down, turn this off. You then have settings, and then also you have brightness. So if we jump into settings, there's a whole range of settings here that I want to show you. So you have Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, home and clock, display, sounds, do not disturb, device options, restricted access, things to try, help, accessibility, and legal and compliance. So if we go into accessibility, you can get voice view screen reader, which I think is fantastic, screen magnification, color inversion, and color correction. You have got subtitles, subtitle preference, call and messaging without speech. That is all on a small display, but they have still thought about accessibility, which I think is absolutely fantastic. And we'll be going into more detail in my review. And then you have home and clock. So inside here you have the theme, you have home cards and night mode. So once in night mode, you can toggle what's on and a schedule. We then have home cards here. So home cards are all the cards that we have on our home display. Finally, we have theme, and you can choose from analog, digital, or personal photograph. So if we go into analog here and then swipe through, you've got 10 different analog clocks that we can choose from. Okay, so you hit that tick and that will be that one. So that's what that one looks like. Then you have digital, and you have 7 different digital clocks as well to choose from. So there is a menu system in there, which I think is fantastic. It's great to see accessibility. Alexa, tell me a joke about Google Home.
Have you heard the rumour about butter? Never mind. I shouldn't spread it.
Just to wrap up here, thanks always for watching. This was the unboxing and setup of the brand new Amazon Echo Spot. If you do have any questions or queries, please always drop a comment. It'd be great to hear from you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.